Excel file system object. Work similar to file dialog box used to get access to other files and computer we are working. We can edit files using. For file system, FSO means file system object. So file related commands like a folder exists, a file exists. We need to create a holder, like that kind of things. Easily we can yeah, do with file system object. Hmm?
Yes.
Yeah, so uh, two available file system objects, two available all uh, object here, right? We have to add that reference to our project.
Yes.
So file system object, if you are not selected, we have to select that. See, I'm given tool reference. This is Microscope scripting runtime. File system object also we have to add like that. Otherwise, it will not work.
Yeah.
Here we have to add all the reference to our program. Suppose net if you are SAP, if you are using SAP reference. The ways whatever Word if you are using Word reference. PDF means PDF reference. Outlook you are adding right here.
Yeah.
Microsoft scripting runtime and file system object. That is file system object. I cannot see. Microsoft scripting runtime we added, right? That is enough. Mm. So file using FSO we can do check whether folder exists or not. Insert. So first we have created one variable as a file system object
Mm.
and then set that into a new thing we have created using new
Yes.
keyword that using that reference set into my first FSO. So my first FSO declaring variable as a file system object and my file system as a new file system. Here afterwards my first FSO dot, if you put dot what and all function available with that it will come. Folder
Yes.
access, get
Yes.
absolute path name, get base
Mm-hmm.
name, get drive. If you put dot what and all is available, it should come. Suppose I'm checking here. Okay, VBA is there, right? So I'm copying this path and I'm giving that path here. Mention holder is available. Let me give breakpoint. FSO example 2. Mention this path is available, so it is coming. So if it is not available, it will go to else path. The
Yes.
mention path is not available. Like that, if you want to check and if see here if condition is there,
Okay.
if condition if it is true, we are going here. If
Okay.
else, here we have one else condition. Then
Mm-hmm.
we are ending this if here. Whenever
Okay.
if you are if condition, there should be one end if condition.
Yes.
Else condition is optional. Here, if condition is true means this condition. Otherwise, this condition will go. Then we have to end it. That's what end if. This else condition is optional only.
Okay. अच्छा.
FSO, FSO, if you click here, what and all this will come. Copy file. If you want to copy file, the path to path. Next line I will use. Okay. Once if you have declared a variable, everywhere we can use that one. Here, then you want to copy file. See, what and all string variable you have to give, it is coming automatically, right? Copy source as a string, destination as a string. That means what? Suppose in VBA, I have created some text file, whatever we can create. I'm just
Yes.
creating one notepad, test, and I'm copying this path,
Mm-hmm.
this path, source,
Yes.
comma, destination. I'm just giving desktop. Expected end of statement. So whenever if we are giving this one, it should be in double
Double.
quote. Subboard function not defined. Let me check the syntax one more time. Copy source as a string, destination as a string. Yeah, this is our destination. Subboard function not defined. Dot copy file, destination file. Okay, okay. It's not coming here. Here I have deleted something, right?
Mm-hmm.
That line it is coming.
Okay.
File not found. File name we did not write, right?
Yes.
Yes. This is in what properties? Go properties. Extension is dot txt. Spelling also correct. The same name only I'm pasting here. Oh, see here where it is. See, it is copied here, right? Like that we can do. Copy copy means both the place it will be there. Otherwise we have move. Move file means it is like cut. The destiny that means here it will not be there. Now I deleted. Now here also there, outside also there. When I move the file means outside it will not be there. It is like cut function. Now here it is there. Here it's not there. It is cutted and pasted here. Like that, when you click dot, you will get list of function available.
Yes.
Everything you can try. Get folder name, create file access, build path. These are most useful thing. After creating, we have to make it to nothing. FSO. This is always good practice, okay? If that means we are making that file system object as nothing. Once if you are declaring, we are clearing the FSO dot set set actually here. Set FSO is equal to nothing. So this whatever we have created that will remove. To get the memory free, we are using this one.
Yes.
Set this to nothing. Otherwise, some problem will come. Next, when you are not putting nothing while opening or that holder again, it may create
Mm-hmm.
some problem. So
Okay.
it is always used once if you have done with all the work, set it to nothing. Okay, this file system object is very useful. We can check it in some other way also, but it is very easy to use file system object. Okay, to existence of file and holder, there are other method also, but this is very efficient way. Mm,